रामभद्राय रामचन्द्राय वेधसे रघुनाथाय नाथाय सीताय पतये नमः। रणरङ्गधीरं राजीवनेत्रं रघुवंशनाथं कारुण्यरूपं करुणाकरन्दं श्रीरामचन्द्रं शरणं प्रपद्ये।
श्रीराम जय राम जय जय राम। श्रीराम जय राम जय जय राम। श्रीराम जय राम जय जय राम। श्रीराम जय राम जय जय राम।
मनोजवं मारुततुल्यवेगं जितेन्द्रियं बुद्धिमतां वरिष्ठं वातात्मजं वानरयूथमुख्यं श्रीरामदूतं शरणं प्रपद्ये।
श्रीराम जय राम जय जय राम। श्रीराम जय राम जय जय राम। श्रीराम जय राम जय जय राम। श्रीराम जय राम जय जय राम।
राम रामेति रामेति रमे रामे मनोरमे सहस्रनाम तत्तुल्यं विराम नाम वरानने।
श्रीराम जय राम जय जय राम। श्रीराम जय राम जय जय राम। श्रीराम जय राम जय जय राम। श्रीराम जय राम जय जय
चरण सरोज रज निज मन मुकुर सुधार वरनौ रघुवर विमल यश जो दायक फल चार बुद्धिहीन तनु जानिकै सुमिरौ पवन कुमार बल बुद्धि विद्या देहु मोहि हरहु कलेश विकार मंगल भवन अमंगल हारी
मंगल भवन अमंगल हारी
मंगल भवन अमंगल हारी
मंगल भवन अमंगल
दशरथ जन बिहारी
प्रभु दशरथ अजिर बिहारी
प्रभु दशरथ जन बिहारी
प्रभु दशरथ अजिर बिहारी भवन अमंगल हारी।
जय 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 हनुमान गोसाई।
जय 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 हनुमान गोसाई।
राजा राम 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 सीता राम राम राम।
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 राजा राम राम राम
सीता राम राम राम।
राजा राम राम राम
सीता राम राम राम।
राजा राम राम राम
सीता राम राम राम।
राजा राम राम राम
सीता राम राम राम।
राजा राम राम राम
सीता राम राम राम।
राजा राम राम राम
सीता राम
राम राम राजा राम राम राम
सीता राम राम राम।
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 पवन तनय संकट हरण
सीता राम राम राम।
मंगल
सीता राम राम
राम लखन सीता
सीता राम राम। सीता राम राम राम।
राजा राम राम
सीता
राम
राम राम राम।
राजा राम राम राम
सीता 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 राम राम राम।
राजा राम
सीता राम राम राम। सीता राम राम राम।
Those who give the most not necessarily give the best, but those who give the best give the most. Think about it. Those who give the most not necessarily give the best, but those who give of their best, they give the most. This is what life is about. Life is about giving. Life is about loving. Life is about giving. And speaking about loving in life, if you take the life of Kabir, who was a saint in Banaras, when he died, there was a fight among Muslims and Hindus as to who should take the body. The Hindus want to burn the body, that's cremating the body. The Muslims, of course, they want to bury the body. And Kabir was covered with a sheet, and so the story goes. And when they went to take the sheet off to decide they'll take half and half of the body, what happened? What they saw there? They saw only flowers. There was no body anymore. His whole body had become fragrant with flowers. This story tells us that flowers give the same fragrance whether they are flowers from the Hindus, whether they are flowers from Muslims, whether they are flowers from Christian, whether they are flowers from atheists. Does it matter who gave the flowers? The flowers maintain the same fragrance. So all the scriptures of the world are telling us one thing, that for us to live in this world and to live with peace and with a heart that is contented, not a heart, see, all of us want one thing in this world. We want what is called happiness. All of us. Every one of us want happiness. And it does not necessarily because you have the most, you are most happy. It could be because you have the least, you are most happy. And so it's an inverse proportion. And so it is when we love the most, and what is difficult, the scripture says that we must love those even who hates us. That is difficult for us to do. Because why is this difficult to do? It is difficult to do because the outside senses attract us. And when the outside senses attract us, it gives us a little power within ourselves that we are better than the other person. Our ego gets fanned, and because of this, we can't love and forgive the other person. You see, there's a saying, there's a pot of gold at the end of the rainbow. Lord, you are very knowledgeable people. So, if you take gold and you take God, something that struck me this morning, there's only one word that is different, that is in between there, that is between God and gold. And that word is L. And if vitamin L, if I may prescribe that, vitamin L is what? Love that we must have for everyone. Not only for our fellow beings. This love does not translate only for our fellow beings, but we must have love for animals. You know, some people love their dog more than they love their spouse. You read about it, you'll find out. They love their cat more than they love their own kitten kin. And it is because the animal responds to the owner. No matter what the owner does, the animal always responds with kindness and wagging its tail, etc., etc. So, if you want to find gold in your life, and if you want to find gold in your life means to find God in your life, then you have to use that L word. That L word is that love word. And to love every individual, and as I said, not only individuals, not only human beings, but also animals, plants, etc. You see, you say you come to temple, and you come and you pray. And you come to temple to pray, but when you come to temple, you don't come to pray. For example, you come and you look at your time every 15 minutes, every 5 minutes. I wonder when this service is going to be finished. I wonder when Dr. Dubel stops speaking because he's boring me to death. And all these things go on in your mind, and you leave the temple, and you go home having had a sumptuous lunch. You know, if you go to a Catholic church, for example, nothing against Catholics, all you get is a little biscuit. Boop, they give you communion. Isn't that right? You got to get a little biscuit and you go home. But when you come, that is where you must be a Hindu. When you come to a Hindu, you get a what? You get a heavy, heavy, heavy lunch and then you go home. So you come into the temple and you think about all these things and you go home and you say, what? I went to the temple or to the mosque or to the church or wherever I went to and nothing has happened. But nothing can't happen because you did nothing. You went in, as you went in, you went out. There was nothing in between that changed your whole personality or whatever the case may be. But if we can have love for that moment, immerse ourselves into the Lord and have that love for the Lord, you will see that not only will we find gold in our lives, we will find peace in our lives. Because if you come, I promise you, no matter, please don't say that, you know, you can only get this in a temple. In Gita, I will explain to you today, there are so many different paths. You know where all the paths lead to? All the paths lead to the citadel of that super consciousness, no matter what path it is. But it depends upon how you walk the path. How you walk the path, and it depends upon how we walk, depends on how we immerse ourselves, depends on how we surrender ourselves, depends upon how much faith we have, and what do we give to the world. You know, we are different from animals. Animals are, thank God, animals, they live according to their instincts. Is that true? God guide them and show them how to live to their instincts. Man that has been taken away from man. Man has a freedom, complete freedom how to act. He is not directed by anything. He has freedom to eat whenever he wants, to have sensuous pleasures whenever he wants, 365 days a year, no problem. Whereas animals, they are guided by season. Because of that, we must try to use our intellect, we must try to discriminate and understand that the more we can show love to everything, to creatures, to animals, to people, because we have to remember one thing. Don't think that when you do your prayers here, you are going to find God somewhere above. This is a fallacy. There is no heaven. There is no hell. This I can say categorically. No heaven, no hell. You are not going to find God because you come and do so much havan, I'm going to find God. You know where God is? God is within us. And we have to discover Him. And to discover Him, we have to have our minds under control. It's the minds that take us to the different path. When we get anger, when we are angry, you keep the anger where? You keep the anger in your pocket. Take it out when necessary. And then what? Put it back. What we do? We take it out. But we never put it back. We keep it with us. Keep it with us. Keep it in a... Now and then you have to show some anger. Otherwise, things don't go right sometimes. You got to show some dislike. But keep anger in your pocket. Take it out when necessary. And then put it back again. Because you are going to you are going to have what is known as vitamin L. Love between all of us, love between creatures. The same God that exists in you, the same God exists in every single person. No matter if he's white, black, brown, yellow, the same God exists in each person. And because that same God exists in each person, we cannot see that God, we cannot objectify it, but we can feel it. You know how we can feel it? See, the mind is the thing that will take us to God. What is the mind? The mind is nothing but anybody can tell me? A thought. And what is thought? Thought is only a word. Where's the word? The word is an internal word. You got what I'm saying? You think about something, so that word is internal. Mind is a thought. Thought is a word. Word is a vibration. You ever heard that this whole world is filled with vibration? I just want to divorce a little bit here about vibration, and then I'll come back to mind. When you are of a higher frequency, you will tap in to higher frequencies. When your mind is filled with love, when your mind is filled with peace, when your mind is filled with that calmness that you feel so happy, so light, so joyful, you will tap into that joyful frequency of other beings. And you will see how to lift you up. When your mind is low with depression, when your mind is low with hate, when your mind is low with greed, when your mind is low with lust, you will tap into that low frequency and you will never be able to get out from that low frequency. All this is because of the mind. The mind is a thought. You might think I don't know much else, that's why I'm saying it over and over again, but I'm telling you, this is so important for us to understand. Mind is a thought. Thought is a word. And the word is vibration. And with that vibration comes a sensation. Vibration, then comes the sensation of love, the sensation of greed, the sensation of hate. Depends upon what your thought were. Depends what your mind thought was. Similarly, the sensation will come. Base sensation will come, or elevated sensation will come. And when elevated sensation comes, you tap into those other elevated frequency, and you what? You soar into different heights. So the mind is a thought. Thought is a word. Word is I forgot. Vibration. And vibration is a sensation. And when you tap into, and that sensation You know, when you tap into that sensation, your sensation is all with love and kindness and compassion, it becomes shunya. You know what shunya is in Sanskrit? Shunya is a Sanskrit word. Shunya means what? Nothing, zero. And that shunya, you become purna. Yeah. It's a little difficult to grasp. In that emptiness, shunya means zero or emptiness. In that emptiness, you become what? You become all fullness. You know why? You are empty of all the burdens of the agitated mind. You have emptied it and emptied and emptied it. And this is why the rishis and the saints and sages, they prescribe the word Om in Hinduism. There are other words in other religions, and they're just as great. Any religion that says that my religion is the only religion, don't believe that religion. There is no religion which can say my religion is the only religion. All the religions teach the same thing, but only Hinduism can say that. You go to a Christian church, they'll never say that. A Muslim, they will never say that. Only a Hindu will say it, because you know, ekam sat vipra bahuda vadanti. The paths are many, but the goal is one. And so, you keep that shunya, you empty yourself. Empty yourself of what? Empty yourself of all the garbage. Remember last week I told you, you must have a dustbin for your mind. And when the garbage comes up, you take out the garbage and you put it into the dustbin. Similarly, when you empty the mind completely, you become complete. And when you're complete, you are full. And when you are full, you are what? Purnamada, Purnamidam, Purnat, Purna, Mudachyate. Your fullness becomes you. All because you must have simple love. How do we try to get our minds to get into that type of vibration where we can tap into the higher frequencies to take us to the upper climes of spirituality, to the upper climes of happiness and compassion? Our minds must be empty, and when our minds are empty, there are no more thought process going on, there are no more internalization of words. You are filled only with vibration, and that vibration, that is why we say, whenever things are tight with you, whenever things are difficult with you, you sit down in a posture, in any posture that is comfortable to you, and you do what? Or you do Ram. I guarantee any of you here today, any and all of you today, that if you practice this, whenever there is difficulty and you practice this, you're definitely going to have some relief of whatever difficult situation you're in. Must. That's a guarantee I give you. Wherever you are, when we are young, we're growing up, there are certain joys we look forward to in life. Then we become older, and then life passes us by very quickly, very fast, and very quick. And unless we start practicing even this a little bit, let us say you're young, you like to sport, you like to go to a club, you like to do all these sort of things, fine. But once a day, or if not once a day, once a week, sit in some little place where you are and introspect. Is this all about me? Is this what life is about? The whole thing about meditation is introspection. Introspection and emptying the mind, and then you find out, is this what life is about? Shall I let life pass like this? I was born, I grew up, I procreated, I grew old and I die. What have I left? Have I become a better individual? You know, the Mulvi is 90 years old. and he's planting a mango tree. Someone passes by and asks him, Mulvi, why are you planting this mango tree? You're 90. You will never live to see the fruits of this tree. You know what he said? I would not live to see it. Maybe I would not live to see the fruits of this tree, but my children will, my grandson. You have to prepare for the future. And that is why, you know, the Hindus, they put a tilak on in the center of their forehead. You know, that chandan they put in the center. Why did they put it on the cheek? Like how women put rouge on the cheek and redden their cheek. Why don't they put chandan on their cheek? Why do they put it on their nose? Well, someone do put it on their nose. Why do they put it? You know, why do you put it here? Because there is a seat of the third eye. That is where the pineal body is. That is where the seat of meditation is. That is the third eye that you have to open. And when you open that third eye, you'll be filled with love. You'll convert gold into God. And your life will be happy. And how you say it? Asangoham, asangoham. You don't do this and you just, as I said, you watch the time and do it. You give your total self. Give your total self to it. And then it will bring fruit to you. You know what? You know you're young, so a lot of young people are here today. You go to school or you go to work or you're pursuing another degree or you're going to university, what the case may be. There's nothing greater than sharpening your mind by spending 5 minutes a day and empty your mind and do this. You don't have to do what I am saying here today, but do whatever you feel like it. Whatever you like, you do that. Your mind will be sharp, your intellect will be sharp, your memory will be sharp. And when your mind and your intellect and your memory is sharp, you will see how you will progress in school. And it is a known factor. When you do this, your powers of concentration become much more. So what do you say? Asangoham, 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 punah punah. Satchidananda Rupoham Amevaham Avyayam. Let's all sing it now. Asango, asango,
asangoham, punah punah.
Satchidananda Rupoham, Satchidananda Rupoham, Ahameva Avyaya. जगत पिता भगवान हमें दो ज्ञान तो ईश्वर
दुनिया में एक सहारा
जगत पिता भगवान हमें दो ज्ञान तो ईश्वर द्वारा
दुनिया में एक
सहारा।
बचपन में होश न आया है, बचपन में होश न आया है, जीवन में पाप कमाया है।
बचपन में होश आया है, जीवन में पाप कमाया है।
अब जाऊं कहाँ विषयों ने मुझको मारा,
दुनिया में एक सहारा,
एक जगत पिता भगवान, हमें दो ज्ञान तू ईश्वर प्यारा। दुनिया में एक सहारा,
दिल मेरा तो यह कहता है, तो मन मंदिर में रहता है।
दिल मेरा तो यह कहता है, तू मन
दिल में रहता
है।
दिन रात भटकता रहा मैं दर दर मारा।
दुनिया में एक
सहारा, एक जगत पिता भगवान, हमें दो ज्ञान तू ईश्वर प्यारा। दुनिया में एक सहारा,
पापों से भगवान हमें बचा, वेदों का सच्चा भक्त बना।
पापों से भगवान
हमें बचा, वेदों का सच्चा भक्त बना।
पाखंड झूठ से सदाए करे किनारा।
दुनिया में एक सहारा, एक जगत पिता भगवान, हमें दो ज्ञान तू ईश्वर प्यारा। दुनिया में एक सहारा,
मझधार में है मेरा मेरा, कृपा कर आशर है तेरा।
तार में है मेरा मेरा, कृपा करना शरण तेरा।
नंदलाल पाप में भी
तेरा जीवन सारा, दुनिया में एक सहारा, एक जगत पिता भगवान, हमें दो ज्ञान तू ईश्वर प्यारा। दुनिया में एक सहारा। हरे कृष्णा कृष्ण कृष्ण हरे हरे,
हरे कृष्णा कृष्ण कृष्ण हरे हरे।
हरे राम 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 हरे हरे।
हरे राम हरे राम राम राम
हरे
Hey, let's all sing.
हरे कृष्णा कृष्ण कृष्ण हरे हरे।
हरे कृष्णा
कृष्ण कृष्ण हरे हरे। हरे राम 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 हरे हरे।
हरे राम हरे राम राम राम
हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे। हरे कृष्ण कृष्ण हरे हरे। हरे राम 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 हरे हरे।
Hey.
राम हरे राम 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 हरे हरे।
Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare,
हरे राम हरे राम
Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare.
Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Hare Rama, Hare Rama,
If you had immersed yourself in this little kirtan, which is known to all of you, most of you here, it gives you a different feeling altogether. And some people call it vibration. You feel different, and you can take that along with you. Once you don't make your mind get carried away too much with the vagaries of the world and all the different things that go on, and keep that peace with you, then coming to a place of worship will be meaningful. Coming to a place of worship, if you don't take something back with you, if you don't take something with you, then it's either in the form of surrendering to God or to learn something, then it is a waste of time. So you must try to surrender when you come. Surrender yourself. If you take something, what the person say or not doesn't matter, but you must take something within you, some spirituality within you. Then it is meaningful to come to temple. अब सौंप दिया इस जीवन का सब भार तुम्हारे. You see, it is saying here, I've surrendered everything to you. My mind, my body, my intellect, my memory, all my material possession. When you come in front of the Lord, and you surrender, whether you're a pauper or whether you're a millionaire, you are the same. Every one of us is the same. And when you come and surrender to Him, you must surrender and say, Lord, you have given me everything. What else can I ask for? All I want is for you to be in my life. This is what it is. This is what prayer is. Prayer is not to come and ask for something. Prayer is to surrender to Him. And when you ask Him, Lord, allow me to make the right decisions in life. This is your prayer. This is our prayer. And oh God, give me this, give me. He will give you what you want. What you're supposed to get, you are going to get. You are not going to get more. Neither are you going to get less. You are going to get what you're supposed to get. But you have to come and surrender to Him. It's called Dasya Bhava. Dasya Bhava, who surrendered to Him more than anyone else? Hanumanji. Hanumanji surrendered to Him, and Hanumanji used the word Ram and crossed the whole ocean. And when he crossed that ocean, he's telling us that so much courage he got from the name of Rama, that if we can take that name and keep it in our hearts and Saupkari, leave everything to Him, why would He not answer us? It is said in Hinduism, people laugh when a person come and touched or surrendered themselves to the feet of a guru or a master. And they laugh at that. But if he's a real guru and a real master, most of them don't want you to touch their feet in any case. Because when you touch their feet, they absorb some of your sins and your bad vibrations, for which they have to pay, for which the guru has to pay. That is why Ramakrishna Paramahansa, 51, cancer. Raman Maharshi, cancer. Chinmayananji was very, very sick, not in his 70s and all. They absorb. Don't feel they go here and it's a good thing to bow to people. No. If He's a master, He absorbs your sin and give you His love and His grace. So if we do that to a master, much less if we do it to God. The master is the medium between God and yourself and ourselves. And so we surrender to Him. We bow to Him. When a master comes, you get up and you welcome him. You don't ask him to walk in, and then you get up and you welcome him. A master comes in our lives many times, but many times we fail to recognize him. Why? Because we're in a different frequency. What is it again? Mind is a thought. Thought is a word is a vibration is अब सौंप दिया इस जीवन का सब भार तुम्हारे हाथों में सब भार तुम्हारे हाथों में
अब सौंप दिया इस जीवन का सब भार तुम्हारे हाथों में सब भार तुम्हारे हाथों में गीत तुम्हारे हाथों में हार तुम्हारे हाथों में हार तुम्हारे हाथों में
मेरा निश्चय बस एक यही एक बार तुम्हें पा जाऊं मैं
बस एक यही एक बार तुम्हें पा जाऊं मैं
अर्पण कर दूं दुनिया भर का सब प्यार तुम्हारे हाथों में
सब प्यार तुम्हारे हाथों में
जो जग में रहूं तो ऐसे रहूं जो जल में कमल का फूल रहे
जो जग में रहो तो ऐसे रहो जो जल में कमल का फूल रहे
तेरे सब गुण जो समर्पित हो करता तुम्हारे हाथों में
तुम्हारे हाथों में
हरे राम 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 सीता राम राम राम
हरे राम 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 सीता राम राम राम
हरे राम 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 सीता राम राम राम
हरे राम राम सीता राम राम राम
हरे राम 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 सीता राम राम
हरे राम 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 सीता राम राम राम
हरे राम 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 सीता राम राम
Ramayana, Ayodhya Kand, after Doha 106.
श्री राम जय राम जय जय राम श्री राम जय जय राम
कुशल प्रसन्न करी आसन दीने कुशल प्रसन्न करी आसन दीने पूजे प्रेम परिपूर्ण दीने
श्री राम जय राम जय जय राम श्री राम जय राम जय जय
मूल फल अंकुर के मूल फल अंकुर के दिए आने मुने मनोगे
श्री राम जय राम जय जय राम श्री राम जय राम जय जय राम
बोलो मंगल भवन अमंगल हरे
मंगल भवन अमंगल हारी
प्रभु दशरथ अजर बिहारे
प्रभु दशरथ अजर बिहारी
Ramchandra Bhagavan, together with Sita and Lakshman, he went to the ashram of Bharadwaj. Bharadwaj was so happy, he welcomed them, washed their feet, drink the water from the washing of their feet, and what? Offered them food, etc., and paying loving homage. It is, we know we can't find, we don't see God to do this to Him, but if we get, like we get, when you come to a place or you have someone can come to your home who you know is spiritual. Spirituality is so much more important than religiosity. Although you can both spirituality and religiosity should combine themselves. But if you are religious and not spiritual, I prefer someone who is spiritual but not religious. A spiritual person means a kind person. A person who looks after the welfare of others. There are many religious people who are bigots, who always think, oh, what he's talking, I'm better than him. I do so many jobs, So many of us religious bigots there are. Spiritual bigots, you get a few, but not as much. Spirituality is very great. So in that spirituality, if you get someone who is spiritual, who can come to your home, you can feed them, you keep their company. Not only by feeding them you get blessings, but being in their company, you draw their vibration and their frequency. And this is what Bharadwaj is. And now this next chopra.
Ram Raja, Ram Raja, Ram Raja, Ram Ram, Ram Raja, Ram Raja, Ram Raja, Ram Ram.
Siya Lakana Jana Sahita Suhaye Ati Ruchi Rama Mula Palakhaye.
Ram Raja, Ram Raja, Ram Raja, Ram Ram, Ram Raja, Ram Raja, Ram Raja, Ram Ram.
Haye Bigata Shama Rama Sukhare Bharadwaj Mridu Bachana Uchare. Haye Bigata Shama Rama Sukhare Bharadwaj Mridu Bachana Uchare.
Ram Raja, Ram Raja, Ram Raja, Ram Ram, Ram Raja, Ram Raja, Ram Raja, Ram Ram.
Ram Ram
Sita Ram,
Ram Ram
Sita Ram,
Sita Ram Jai Shri Ram.
Sita Ram, Jai Jai Shri Ram,
Sita Ram Jai Shri Ram.
Sita Ram, Jai Jai Shri Ram,
Sita Ram Jai Shri Ram.
Sita Ram, Jai Jai Shri Ram.
सीता लक्ष्मण को सहित श्री रामचंद्र ने उन सुंदर मूल फलों को बड़े चाव से खाया. And so Bharadwaj gave them the beautiful fruits, he ate them, and then when Rama was refreshed, he said these beautiful words. This last chopra I am going to read now.
Ram, Jai Jai Ram, Ram, Siya Ram, Jai Jai Ram.
आज सुफल तपोतीर तु त्यागो आज सुफल जपो जोग विरागो
राम सिया राम जय जय राम पतित पावन सीताराम
सफल सकल शुभ साधन साजो राम तुम्हें अवलोकत आजो
राम सिया राम जय जय राम पतित पावन सीताराम
लाभ अवधि सुख अवधि न तुझी तुम्हारे दरस आस सब पूजी
राम सिया राम जय जय राम पतित पावन सीताराम
राम जय जय राम
पतित पावन सीताराम।
हे राम, आज आपके दर्शन से मेरा तप तीर्थ सेवन और त्याग सफल हुआ। आज मेरा जप योग और बैराग सफल हो गया और आज मेरे शुभ साधनों के सब साज भी सफल हुए। अब इससे अधिक लाभ और सुख की दूसरी कोई अवधि नहीं है। And so Bharadwaj says, all my punya, all my austerity has borne its fruit today because you are in my home. This is the way we must try to act when we come. Bhajan.
बोलो सदा जयकार पवन सुत महाबली की। बोलो सदा जयकार पवन सुत महाबली की। बोलो सदा जयकार पवन सुत महाबली की।
बोलो सदा जयकार पवन सुत महाबली की।
केसरी नंदन बलधारी की।
केसरी नंदन बलधारी की।
मारुति नंदन उपकारी की।
मारुति नंदन उपकारी की।
आवो करे सेवा पवन सुत महाबली की। आवो करे सेवा
पवन सुत महाबली की।
बोलो सदा जयकार पवन सुत महाबली की।
बोलो सदा जयकार पवन सुत महाबली की।
अपने कपीस को मन में बसा के।
अपने कपीस को मन में बसा के।
निष्कर पूजन दर पे आके।
निष्कर पूजन दर पे आके।
आओ शरण सुख श्याम पवन सुत महाबली की।
आओ शरण सुख श्याम पवन सुत महाबली की।
बोलो सदा जयकार पवन सुत महाबली की।
बोलो सदा जयकार पवन सुत महाबली की।
संकट मोचन नाम जो ध्यावे,
संकट मोचन नाम जो ध्यावे,
संकट उसके पास न आवे,
संकट उसके पास न आवे।
महिमा गाए दिन रात पवन सुत महाबली की,
महिमा गाए दिन रात पवन सुत महाबली की।
बोलो सदा जयकार पवन सुत महाबली की,
बोलो सदा जयकार पवन सुत महाबली की।
ओ बोलो सदा जयकार पवन सुत महाबली की,
बोलो सदा जयकार पवन सुत महाबली।
बोलो राम जय जय राम, बोलो राम,
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 बोलो राम जय जय राम, बोलो राम।
जन्म सफल होगा रे बंदे, मन में राम बसले, मन में राम बसले। बोलो राम जय जय
राम, बोलो राम, बोलो राम जय जय राम, बोलो राम।
हे राम नाम के मोती को सासों की माला बना ले, मन में राम बसा ले।
बोलो राम जय जय राम, बोलो राम, बोलो राम जय जय राम, बोलो राम,
बोलो राम जय जय राम, बोलो राम,
बोलो राम जय जय राम, बोलो राम,
बोलो राम जय जय राम, बोलो राम,
बोलो राम जय जय राम, बोलो राम।
राम पतित पावन करुणा कर और जरा सुख दाता। बोलो राम जय जय राम, बोलो राम, हे राम पतित पावन करुणा कर और जरा सुख दाता। सरस सुहावन अति मन भावन, राम से प्रीत लगा ले, मन में राम बसा ले।
बोलो राम जय जय राम, बोलो राम, बोलो राम जय जय राम, बोलो राम,
बोलो राम जय जय राम, बोलो राम,
बोलो राम जय जय राम, बोलो राम,
बोलो राम जय जय राम, बोलो राम,
बोलो राम जय जय राम, बोलो राम।
मोह माया है झूठा बन जादू से तू प्राणी
बोलो राम जय जय राम बोलो राम
मोह माया है झूठा बंधन जादू से तू प्राणी राम नाम की ज्योत जलाकर अपना भाग्य जगा ले मन में राम बस ले
बोलो राम जय जय राम बोलो राम बोलो राम जय जय राम बोलो राम
बोलो राम जय जय राम बोलो राम
बोलो राम जय जय राम बोलो राम
बोलो राम जय जय राम बोलो राम
बोलो राम जय जय राम बोलो राम
राम भजन में डूब के अपनी निर्मल कर काया
बोलो राम जय जय राम बोलो राम
राम भजन में डूब के अपनी निर्मल कर ले काया राम नाम से प्रीत लगा के जीवन पार लगा ले मन में राम बसा ले बोलो राम जय जय राम बोलो राम बोलो राम जय जय राम बोलो राम बोलो राम जय जय राम बोलो राम
बोलो राम जय जय राम बोलो राम
बोलो राम जय जय राम बोलो राम बोलो राम जय जय राम बोलो राम बोलो राम जय जय राम बोलो राम
बोलो राम जय जय राम बोलो राम
बोलो राम जय जय राम बोलो
You want to talk about your program next Saturday quickly? You have 15 seconds.
Bhai Behno, next Saturday, the 25th of January, we're celebrating.
Stand up so they can see you because they may think only I stand.
Namaskar, everybody. Next Saturday, on the 25th of January at 7 o'clock, we're having a program, a musical program, paying tribute to one of the members, the founding members of this mandir, Hari Pandey, who passed away just about a month ago. We are having a musical program provided by his members of the musical fraternity with whom he crossed his path with over the past few years. Please come out and attend. We're serving dinner at 7 o'clock and the program begins at 8. Please come and enjoy a wonderful program. Thank you.
Okay. Gita Dhyanam.
ॐ पाठाय प्रतिबोधितं भगवता नारायणेन स्वयं व्यासेन ग्रथितं पुराणमुनिना मध्ये महाभारतम् अद्वैत अमृतवर्षिणी भगवती अष्टादशाध्यायिनी अम्बा त्वामनुसन्दधामि भगवद्गीते भवद्वेषिणी नमोऽस्तु ते व्यासविशालबुद्धे पुल्लारवृन्दायतपत्रनेत्रः येन त्वया भारतपर्वपूर्णः प्रज्वालितो ज्ञानमयः प्रदीपः प्रपन्नपारिजाताय स्तोत्रवेत्रैकपाणये ज्ञानमुद्राय कृष्णाय गीतामृतदुहे नमः सर्वोपनिषदो गावो दुग्धा गोपालनन्दनः पार्थो वत्सः सुधीर्भोक्ता दुग्धं गीतामृतं महत् वसुदेवसुतं देवं कंसचाणूर्णमर्दनं देवकी परमानन्दं कृष्णं वन्दे जगद्गुरु भीष्माद्रोणा तथा जयाद्रता जला गांधार नीलोत्पला शल्याग्रावती कृपेण वहनी कर्णेन वेलाकुला अश्वत्थामा विकर्ण घोरमकरा दुर्योधनावर्तिनी स्तोतिर्ना खलु पाण्डवैरनदी कैवर्तका केशवा पाराशर्यवचः सरोजममलम् गीतार्थगन्धोदकम् नानाज्ञानकेसरम् हरिकथा सम्बोधनबोधितम् लोके सज्जन षड्पदे अहरः पेपीयमानं मुदा भूयद भारत पंकजं कलिमला प्रणम श्रियं श्रेयसे मूकं करोति वाचालं पंगुलं गयते गिरिं यत्कृपातमहं वन्दे परमानन्दमाधवम् यं ब्रह्मा वरुणेन्द्ररुद्रमरुतः स्तुवन्ति दिव्यैस्तवै वीरैः साङ्गपराक्रमोपनिषदे गायन्ति यं सामगा ध्यानावस्थिततद्गतेन मनसा पश्यन्ति यं योगिनो यशान्तं न विदुरसुरासुरगणा देवाय तस्मै नमः.
Gita, chapter 4, verse 30, 31 and 32. Apare niyatahara prana praneshu juhvate. Is that it? Chapter 4, verse 30. Sarve. Oh, this is half of the shloka, is it? Oh, okay. We start again. Apare niyatahara pranan praneshu juhvate sarvyete yagyavidu Yagyakshipati kalmasah Yagyakshipati Yagyashishta amrita bhujo Yanti brahma sanatanam Nayam loko asat yagyasya Yagyaskunto yankuru sattama Yagyasukunto anankuru sattama Evam bahubidha yagya Vitata brahmano mukhe Karmajan viditan sarvan Evam gyatva vimokshase Apare niyatahara. Ahara means what? Ahara means food. Bhagavan Krishna is telling Arjuna, everyone is careful of what they put in their mouth. Apare, therefore, niyata ahara. Every day niyata ahara. What they put in their mouth. Prana praneshu juhvate. So they can keep their body alive. So he's saying, not only the food from the table that we put in your mouth, but the food from the outside world you put into your mind. You understand? You have to read the Gita in its, you have to have a comprehension of what it is to understand what it says. If you read it just like that, it means nothing to you. It means that we must be careful of what we put into our mental stomach. Don't make our mental stomach a public convenience so everyone can come and dump in there. It means you must keep a guard of what you put into your mind. This is the only way you can what? Yagya shipto kalmashaha. This is the yagya you must do so you can kalmashaha, destroy any vasanas that you have. You must be stringent guardian of what you put into your mental stomach. It's a very important thing. Because if you put everything that comes into our mind, everything comes in, you're driving and your mind going all over the place, you're thinking, mind going, no. Keep your mind calm. Mind is a thought. Thought is a word. When the mental words come to you and it's not good, it is deserving to put into the dustbin, put in the dustbin. And yagya shishta, and the other one is yagya shishta meto bhujo. What is left from a yagya, we partake. What is left from a yagya means what is left from the sacrifice that you do, from your tapa, your japa, etc. You partake, meaning you keep it with you. Partake just not meaning food. Partake means you keep it with you as prasad. We have prasad here. You have two types of prasad when you come to a Hindu temple. Is that true? You have prasad upstairs. Then you go downstairs and you have Mahaprasad. And then you take home too. What a beautiful temple we have. We feed you upstairs. We feed you downstairs. And you also. So that's right. So, Evang Bahuvida Yagya. So, Arjuna is saying, you tell me all these various paths. Which path shall I follow? What is he saying? All paths eventually lead to? No? All paths lead to? No. All paths lead to Rome. I thought there are some classical scholars around here that they can help me, but no. All paths lead to Rome. And he says that every path that you do, as I said this morning, every yagya you do, is yoga, havan, japa, tapa, whatever path you do is a good path. Hold on to that path. Don't waver. It is when we waver. You hear this Baba making some gold coins, you run behind him. Isn't that true? Prabhat? And when you hear that Baba is coming and he's telling your fortune, you run behind him. You ask Prabhat. And they have so many gurus they run behind. We don't hold to one path. Hold to one path and stick to that path. And that path will eventually liberate you. Don't run from path to path. If you're a Christian, be a good Christian. If you're a Muslim, be a good Muslim. If you're a Hindu, be a good Hindu. All paths lead to the same. Let's welcome the Lord.
जय जय सुरनायक जन सुखदायक प्रभु कपाल भगवंता
हितकारी
जय अष्टारी सिंधु सुता प्रिय कंता
पालन सुर धरनी अद्भुत करनी मरण जाने कोई
जो सहज कृपाला दीन दयाला करहु अनुग्रह सोई
जय जय अविनाशी सब घटवासी व्यापक परमानंद
अभिगत गीतम चरित पुनीतम माया रहित मुकुंदा
जय लागी विरागी अति अनुरागी विगत मोह मोहि वृंदा
शिवासर ध्यावे गुण गण गावे जयति सच्चिदानंदा
जय श्रेष्ठ उपाहि विविध बनाई संग सहायन दूरा
करहु हमारी चिन्ह हमारी जाय भगति न भूला
भव भय भंजन मुनि मनरंजन रंजन विपति मरूपा
जाय सयानी सरल सफल सुनयोधा
नारद सुति शेषा ऋषय अशेषा जातु कहु नहीं जाना
जीन पियारी फिर पुकार
विधि मंदन सब विधि सुंदर गुण मंदिर सुप्रभु
सकल सुर कर्म प्रयास नमस्कार सीताराम राम राम सीताराम राम राम
सीताराम राम राम सीताराम राम
श्रीनिवास गोविंद श्री वेंकटेश गोविंद
श्रीनिवास गोविंद
श्री वेंकटेश गोविंद तिरुपति वास गोविंद तिरुमलै वास गोविंद तिरुपति वास
गोविंद
तिरुमलै वास गोविंद 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 गोकुल नंदन गोविंद
ज्ञानी सफय सुर भूमि सुने बचन समेत सुने गगन गिरा गंभीर भये हरण शोक संदेह सिया पति रामचंद्र जी के जय शरणम प्रभु। प्रेम से बोलो महाविष्णु भगवान की
जय।
प्लीज sit down, कृपया बैठ जाइए। We're going to meditation of the Lord Surya Narayan. Om Namo Bhagavate Surya Namah.
Om Namo Bhagavate
Surya Namah. Adityaya Namah. Surya Namah. Divakaraya Namah. Surya Namah. Bhaskaraya Namah. Om Namo Bhagavate Surya Namah.
Om Namo Bhagavate
Surya Adideva Namastubhyam Prasida Mama Bhaskara Divakar Namastubhyam Prabhakar Namostute. We're going to meditation now. Please be as quiet as possible so everyone can enjoy it. Radhe Radhe Govinda Govinda Radhe. Let the tones of the flute take us far away from here, among the rivers and forests. Radhe Radhe Govinda Govinda Radhe. Govinda Radhe Gopal Radhe. Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya.
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 Jai Ram, Jai Ram, Jai Jaya Rama.
Shri Ram Jai Ram, Jaya Jaya Ram.
Shri Ram Jaya Ram, Jaya Jaya Rama.
Shri Ram Jai Ram, Jaya Jaya Ram.
Jai Ambe Maiya, Jai Jai Ambe Maiya.
Jai Jai Ambe Maiya.
Jai Ambe Maiya, Jai Jai Ambe Maiya.
Jai Ambe Maiya, Jai Jai Ambe Maiya.
Radhe Radhe Govinda Govinda Radhe. We do 2 pranayams, 2 omkars, and then silence. Pranayam is done by breathing through your right nostril and exhale through your left. Inhale through your left and exhale through your right. That's 1 pranayam. Retain for 10 seconds every time. Do it twice, and that's 2 pranayams. We do 2 omkars. Half of the om you do with your mouth open, half with your mouth closed. When you do it with your mouth closed, you'll feel the reverberation in the whole body. And the top of the roof of your mouth is just below what is known as your hypothalamus in your brain, which controls our bodily action. It also, vibration goes there also. If you believe, you may do so. Deep breath in and omkar. We go into silence now. In the silence, focus on the center of your forehead, the seat of the third eye. Talk to God. Thank Him for everything that He has given you. Your body, you can walk, you can talk, you can see, you can converse. You have given me so many things, my Lord. Just say thanks, thanks, thanks. Silent meditation. Meditate. Keep your minds on the Lord. Talk to Him. He is just near to you. Feel His presence. Om Shanti Om Shanti बड़ सुख पाकर ये मंग पढ़कर ओम शांति ओम शांति ये ध्वनि मंगल ध्वनि ओम शांति ओम शांति
शांति ओम शांति
त्र्यंबकं यजामहे सुगंधिं पुष्टिवर्धनम् उर्वारुकमिव बन्धनान् मृत्योर्मुक्षयमामृतात् असतो मा सद्गमय तमसो मा ज्योतिर्गमय मृत्योर्मा अमृतं गमय ॐ शान्ति 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 सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनापवितमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै ॐ शान्ति 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 सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः सर्वे सन्तु निरामयाः सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु मा कश्चित् दुःखभाग् भवेत् ॐ शान्ति 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 हरि ओम श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः हरि ओम. Please keep this meditation with you and try to remember what I said, the gold and the God, and also what the mind, the thought, the word, the vibration and the sensation, and empty yourself if you want to live happily in this world, if we all want to live happily in this world. And so today, as you can see, the temple is full a lot because of, as usual, when Leonard cooks, this happens. Today's Priti Bhoj is supplied by Leonard and family in celebration of Sanjay, Haji and Nani's birthday. Three birthdays in one. Leonard has been a great protagonist of the dialysis clinic in Guyana, and I'm sure many of the people who has come here, he must have tapped you for money from time to time. So what I would like to, not many of you come here except once a year when Leonard cook, to let you know that the clinic is going very good in Guyana. We are dialyzing about 50 people now. Before we started dialysis in Guyana, you had to pay $180 for one dialysis. Now, yeah, am I right? Yes, $180. 36,000 Guyana dollars. Am I right, right? So, today, Balancing Hospital, which charges a lot of money, he has reduced his dialysis to 8,000 Guyana dollars. From how much? 36,000 to 8,000 because of our presence. He only has 2 machines. We have 20 machines and we are dialyzing 50 people, which means we are dialyzing about, we're doing about 500 dialysis per week, which is quite costly. And those people who are doing 3 dialysis per week, when I went there the last time, there were many people who are doing dialysis twice a week, but they needed 3 dialysis a week to keep healthy. So when I went there, I told them, when you do, you come and do 3 dialysis per week, but you only pay for 2. In other words, the cost is cut down to $6,000 for those people. So we have done, because of your efforts, Vishnu Mandir efforts from so many people, not only in Vishnu Mandir, but in Guyana also, lots of people have given money. And we have, as I said, 20 chairs, 20 machines, and so many poor people. I think it was last week or 2 weeks ago, I was saying there was one girl, her name is Sharifa. And by the way, it's not a Hindu dialysis program. Though a few of you have been there. George, you've been there. You've been there. What's her name? I forget your name, but yeah, this your father. What's your father's name? Nandram has been there. I know some other people have been there. Not only is that, so don't because it's Vishnu Mandir, it's a Hindu, only Hindu goes there. Our chairman is Mrs. Ghafoor, and so you can understand what kind of program we are running. And one girl, Sharifa, she comes from Essequibo. She has to cross 2 rivers to come to Annandale to be dialyzed 3 times a week. By the time she come and leave Essequibo at 4 o'clock in the morning, she arrives there at what? 8, 9 o'clock at night. She has to come 3 times. She's 23 years old, and she has 3 children. The youngest is 4. You can do the mathematics. And so this is what we do there. I just want you to know that our the program is going extremely well. I'd asked them to show a video, but of course, is there a video here? No, you don't know about that. My brother, as usual, in his own inimitable way, has no video to show. Anyhow, so it is for you all to, those who have given, to know where your money is going. And I invite any one of you, and I see Vishnu Pandey at the back. He has given 2, what do you call it, Vishnu? USP or UPS? I always get confused. UPS? United Parcel Services? Anyhow, he has given 2 things which control the current that goes into the machine. So if the current wavers at any time, the machines can't be burnt. We burnt a lot of machines before he came and installed 2 such at his own cost, which costs quite a few hundreds of thousands of Guyana dollars, and we are grateful to him for all what he has done for us. And he has a man who continues to come and check up on us and make sure we are doing the right thing. So many people have contributed. There are many people in here who have contributed $5,000 to the clinic. And all of you, I would like to thank you all very much for all the support. I go to Guyana quite frequently. I might be going in 2 weeks' time again. The nephrologists from McMaster, they are looking at the program. 2 nephrologists go down there every 2 months on their own. They pay their own money. They pay their own fare. They ask Leonard, I don't know where he is, but they pay their own fare. They pay their own keep and everything. And they donate also. They have donated $25,000 per year so far to the clinic, the McMaster Nephrology Program. So because of all of these things are going. And if there are any questions, you can ask me or ask Leonard or ask anyone. There was a time, we used to run to the airport with suitcases to send filters and to send lines, and beg people, and yet nobody would. I think one of our directors is here, but I saw him, but he's such a tall guy, I don't know. Is he still there? Roop, are you there? Roop Prasad, is he still there? Roop, I saw him coming in anyhow. He's one of our directors of our clinic, and I think on Saturday they're doing a program, and I think one of the objective is to collect money for the clinic. Am I right? Yes. That's one objective. And so if you would like to, have a little extra money and you want to give for last year, you can give up today. Is the last day you can give for last year, you may do so. Otherwise, today's Preeti Bhoj is served by Leonard, and tribute to Hari Pandey Saturday, 7 o'clock, dinner and show. Holy Mela on March 16th. Okay. Seniors Club and cell phone, that's it? Anything else? We have a toddlers program in our Montessori school, which is going extremely well. If any toddler or young children to come to the Montessori school, we have a very good Montessori program. Thank you. Next. Okay. Those who have Prashad, Chahavi, Medusa, Bhajan, and then
बिना पानी नहीं, बल गुमर करे हजार। कहे प्रीतम प्रेम बिना मिल नहीं नंद कुमार। हरि व्यापति सर्वत्र समान, प्रेम से प्रगति हुई मैं जाना, प्रेम से प्रगति हुई मैं जाना। ना मैं जानूं आरती वंदन, ना पूजा तेरी, मैं अनजानी दर्श दीवानी, पागल मेरी प्रीत। लिएरी मैंने, लिएरी मैंने, लिएरी मैंने दो नैनों से दीपक लिए संजो। हेरी मैं तो, हेरी मैं तो प्रेम दीवानी, दर्शन जानी होई। ना मैं जानूं आरती वंदन, ना पूजा तेरी, ना अनजानी दर्श दीवानी, पागल मेरी प्रीत। लिएरी मैंने, लिएरी मैंने दो नैनों से दीपक लिए संतो। तेरी मैं तो प्रेम दीवानी, मेरो वरदन जानी होई। घायल की गति घायल की गति घायल जान, जो कोई घायल हो। घायल की गत घायल जान, जो कोई घायल हो। जो हरि की गत जो हरि की गत जो हरि जाने, जो हरि की गत जो हरि जाने, जो कोई जो हरि हो। लिएरी मैंने दो नैनों से दीपक लिए संजो। डोली ऊपर से जो हमारी किस विधि सोना हो गगन मंडल पी सेज पिया की गगन मंडल पी सेज पिया की किस विध मिले ना हो लिएरी मनी दो नैनों से दीपक लिए संजो मेरी मैं तो प्रेम दीवानी मेरो हरदन जाने हो ये
Bas. We're running late. Beautiful bhajan, but we are running late. Thank you very much. Very beautiful bhajan, very beautiful singing. Come back and sing it next time. I have Mr. Peter Cushman. Say a few words. He's coming. Come. Yes. He's running for the Liberal nomination for the federal. Give him a mic, please. You have 2 minutes.
Namaste. Ladies and gentlemen, I would like to take the opportunity to thank Dr. Dubey for giving me this opportunity to present myself to you and introduce myself. My name is Peter Cushman, and I'm running for, basically seeking nomination for federal Liberal in the riding of Richmond Hill. I would like to tell you a little bit about myself. I came to Canada in 1990, and I obtained my Bachelor of Electrical Engineering from Carleton University in Ottawa, and became a licensed professional engineer in 2006. And I had the privilege of working in companies like Northern Telecom, Siemens, Telos Mobility, and I was a part-time professor in Centennial College teaching computer networking and digital electronics. I am a true believer in volunteerism, and I did volunteer work for various boards of directors, such as Engineers for Engineers, Iranian Engineers Association Mohandes, Markham Arts Council, York Region Parents Association, and Habitat for Humanity, and many others. And the things that I stand for is sustainable healthcare, a better economy that provides full-time jobs that have benefits, and not just minimum wage, and also a better way of helping new immigrant basically find a way to get their professional licenses and end up working in the field of their study in Canada. I know there's a big problem with that basically we don't need doctors and engineers to be the taxi driver or run a restaurant. We need them to do their job here. We have long wait times in emergency rooms, and while we have doctors who try to get their licenses to practice here, that's not right. So we can use those doctors and place them in a hospital to actually serve the people. And I hope that I can have your support on that and be able to serve my community. Once again, I would like to thank Dr. Dubey for giving me this opportunity. And I'm going to stick around if you guys have any questions. By all means, I will be around to answer your questions. Thank you very much for giving me the time.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. Support him if you want to. What else can I say? We are non-partisan. Except if a minister comes, I can't support it. Anyhow, Deepak Bhayani has a granddaughter. He's somewhere around. We'd like to congratulate him. He is a very great supporter of our temple, and he's going to share laddu out for that. And Satyaji is giving $1,000 for our dialysis clinic. She's celebrating her 48th wedding anniversary tomorrow. Now, don't ask how old she is. She's please just look. Her hair is gray, so she is giving to her. She has given so much to our dialysis clinic before. She continues to give. So God bless you, and may you continue. Sita Rama, Sita Rama,
Sita Rama kahiye, jahe bidina mera, tahe bidi nahi.
Sita Rama, Sita Rama.
रूप में हो राम नाम, राम राम कहिए सीताराम सीताराम शहीद राम जैसे दूजिया छोड़ दे राम जी से नाता तोड़ दे साधु संग राम रंग रंग रंगिए राम रस त्याग करे राम रस कहिए जय राधे राम सीताराम सीताराम सीताराम
I would like to ask Satyaji to come and give a Mata's chunni for your anniversary. Hi, Satyaji. Come, Shyam. और श्याम के लिए come on. हाँ? Come. श्री राधे गोविंद
ब्रज मन श्री राधे राधे श्री राधे गोविंद ब्रज मन श्री राधे 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 राधे श्री राधे
जय श्री राधे जय श्री राधे जिस घर में हो आरती चरण कमल चितलाए तारे बासा करे ज्योत अनंत जगाए जहाँ भक्त कीर्तन करे वहाँ प्रेम दरिया तहाँ हरि श्रवण करे सत्यलोक से आए सब कुछ दीना आपने भेद करूं क्या नाथ नमस्कार की भेद लो जोड़ो मैं दोनों जोड़ो मैं दोनों
सर्जन विसर्जन तुम ही विश्व करता तुम ही विश्व ज्योति हो प्राण भरता तुम ही काल के काल हो शक्ति भारी स्वीकारो स्वयं बनाओ हमारे दया धर्म की मन ज्योति जगाओ जीवन पंथ मेरा प्रभु जगमगाओ करो पाप मेरे करो भाव भक्ति मुझे रात दो अपने कहने में शक्ति मुझे वो हमारा के साथ सितारों मेरे काम और देखो ना तमारो अहंकार मेरा हर शक्ति दाता
कोटि कोटि वंदन विधाता मेरा कोटि कोटि वंदन विधाता।
ओम नमः पार्वती पते हर हर महादेव। आरती।
जय जगदीश हरि स्वामी जय जगदीश हरि भक्त जनों की संकट दास जनों के संकट क्षण में दूर करे। ओम जय जगदीश हरि ओम जय जगदीश